Hello children, welcome you all in the e-learning class of Divine Public School. Myself Nisha Srivastava. Today I am going to teach you EVS. Today's topic is water animals. Children, this is your picture dictionary book. Take out page number 24, water animals. Do you know children what is water animals? I will tell you. Water animals lives in the water and depends on it for survival. First of all, shark. Shark is a special type of fish. They don't have bone, they have rows of teeth. Shark never sleep and never stop. Whale. Whale is a large water animal. Whales breathe air into their lungs using a blowhole located on the top of their head. Whales have to come up to the surface of the water to get their air. Jellyfish. Jellyfish are the oldest multicellular animals. Jellyfish have no brain, no heart, no bones or eyes. The jellyfish mouth is found in the center of its body. A jellyfish is called Medusa. Octopus. The body of an octopus looks like a bag. It has walrus head, large eyes and 8 arms. The octopus has excellent eyesight but poor hearing. The blood of an octopus is light blue. Dolphin. Dolphin is very friendly to humans and animals. Dolphins have 2 stomachs. One is used for storage of food and the other is used for digestion. Do you know children? Dolphins never chew their food. Starfish. The starfish is also called sea star. Starfish have no brain and no blood. The mouth of starfish is on the bottom of its body. Seahorse. Seahorse is a tiny fish. Their tails are a valuable tools. Their eyes work independently. Turtle. Turtle belongs to one of the oldest reptile group. The shell of a turtle is actually a part of its skeleton and is made of nearly 50 bones. Crab. Do you know children? Crab can walk in all directions but mostly walk and run sideways. Crabs have 10 legs. Crabs eat meat and plant both. Now children, repeat after me. Shark, whale, jellyfish, octopus, dolphin, seahorse, starfish, turtle and crab. These are water animals. Now here some questions. Question number 1. Name the human friendly sea animal. Children, answer. A dolphin is the human friendly sea animal. Question number 2. Which fish looks like a star? Answer. A starfish looks like a star. Question number 3. Which is the largest animal? Answer. Whale is the largest water animal. Now it's time for your homework. Your first homework is learn and recognize water animals given on page number 24. Your second homework, learn answers of these 3 questions. Thank you.